Hello guys, it's your boy IBNHD. As you can tell, I'm still in bed, but I'm still feeling burpy. So today I've got Random Burps episode 2. So I think it's burpy time. Well, that's what my watch says. I'm not sure what the time is on your watch. My watch says burpy time, so yeah. Let's do this. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Subscribe, like, and comment, and peace out, guys.